Lisa and Marcus, I need to talk to you. Lisa and Marcus, I need to talk to you. What did we do wrong this time? What did we do wrong this time? Don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. Don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. Please come for a moment. Please come for a moment. I'm afraid, Mr. Smith. I'm afraid, Mr. Smith. You don't have to be afraid, Lisa. You don't have to be afraid, Lisa. Just come along. Just come along. Are we in trouble now, Mr. Smith? Are we in trouble now, Mr. Smith? No, quite the opposite. No, quite the opposite. I have to apologize to you both. I have to apologize to you both. Last week, I overreacted a bit. Last week, I overreacted a bit. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I accept your apology. I accept your apology. Thank you very much, Marcus. Thank you very much, Marcus. No problem, Mr. Smith. No problem, Mr. Smith. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. As an apology, I'll give you the day off. As an apology, I'll give you the day off. What? Really? What? Really? Yes, you can do whatever you want today. Yes, you can do whatever you want today. So, Marcus, what do you want to do? So, Marcus, what do you want to do? Are you hungry, Lisa? Are you hungry, Lisa? Yes. Yes. Then come with me. I still owe you an ice cream. Then come with me. I still owe you an ice cream. Okay. Okay. How's the ice cream, Lisa? How's the ice cream, Lisa? It tastes great. It tastes great. Thanks for inviting me, Marcus. Thanks for inviting me, Marcus. No problem. No problem. I love spending time with you, Lisa. I love spending time with you, Lisa. I love spending time with you too, Marcus. I love spending time with you too, Marcus. You're really pretty. You're really pretty. I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. Will you go out with me? Will you go out with me? Lisa, what are you doing here? Lisa, what are you doing here? And who is that? And who is that? Dad, I can explain. Dad, I can explain. This is Marcus. This is Marcus. Why aren't you in school? Why aren't you in school? Mr. Smith has given us the day off. Mr. Smith has given us the day off. Marcus is a friend from school. Marcus is a friend from school. I like him a lot. I like him a lot. You're coming with me right now. You're coming with me right now. Why did you do that, Dad? Why did you do that, Dad? Lisa, you're only 10 years old. Lisa, you're only 10 years old. You're way too young to be dating boys. You're way too young to be dating boys. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Marcus is so nice. Marcus is so nice. You'd like him. You'd like him. I don't want to hear another word about it. I don't want to hear another word about it. What's the matter, sweetheart? What's the matter, sweetheart? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Dad embarrassed me today. Dad embarrassed me today. In front of my boyfriend. In front of my boyfriend. You have a boyfriend? How nice! You have a boyfriend? How nice. What's his name? What's his name? His name is Marcus. His name is Marcus. What's nice about it, Marie? What's nice about it, Marie? Lisa is way too young for that. Lisa is way too young for that. Sooner or later, you'll have to get used to it, honey. Sooner or later, you'll have to get used to it, honey. Do you like Marcus a lot, Lisa? Do you like Marcus a lot, Lisa? Yes, I like him a lot. Yes, I like him a lot. Then let's invite him over for dinner. Then let's invite him over for dinner. What do you think, Lisa? What do you think, Lisa? That would be great. That would be great. And what do you think, honey? And what do you think, honey? I guess I have to accept it. I guess I have to accept it. Very good. Then we'll do it on Wednesday. Very good. Then we'll do it on Wednesday. What do Marcus and Lisa eat? A. Candy. B. Cake. C. Ice cream. Leave a comment. What do Marcus and Lisa eat? A. Candy. B. Cake. C. Ice cream. Leave a comment.